Ever wonder why eye for an eye is such a popular phrase? Originating from the Bible verse Matthew 5:38, eye for an eye is a phrase that certainly caught the world's attention. Many perceive it as a call for retaliation or revenge, but don't be too quick to jump to conclusions. Like any great piece of literature, its deeper meaning is often shrouded in mystery, begging for a closer look. So, if it's not about revenge, what could it possibly mean? Let's dive into the verse, Matthew 5:38-42, to uncover its true meaning. Starting with verse 38, we encounter a widely recognized principle, eye for an eye, which essentially means reciprocating harm with equal harm. It's a rule that's been around for a long time, offering a sense of justice, of balance. But then, verse 39 flips this concept on its head. It instructs us not to resist an evil person. If someone slaps you on the right cheek, you're advised to turn the other cheek as well. This isn't about being passive or weak, but about responding to negativity with positivity, to hatred with love. Verses 40 and 41 take this idea further with practical examples. If someone sues you for your shirt, give them your coat as well. If someone forces you to walk a mile, walk 2 miles with them. These examples speak to the virtues of generosity and patience, even in the face of adversity. Finally, verse 42 concludes with a clear directive. Give to the one who asks you, and do not turn away from the one who wants to borrow from you. This is a call to be open-hearted and generous, to assist those in need without hesitation, without judgment. On the surface, it seems like a call to be a doormat, doesn't it? But is that really the case? Now let's explore the deeper significance of this passage. This isn't a message of passivity or weakness, quite the contrary. It's a testament of strength, patience, and love in the face of adversity. It's about breaking the cycle of violence and retaliation, replacing it with forgiveness and generosity. Imagine a world where instead of answering harm with harm, we respond with kindness. This teaching encourages us to go the extra mile, literally and figuratively, to extend our hand in goodwill, even when it's least expected. Applying this in daily life may not be easy, but think about the positive impact. It can transform personal relationships, fostering understanding and compassion. It can influence society as a whole, promoting peace over conflict. So, eye for an eye isn't about revenge at all. It's a call to rise above the instinct for retaliation and to respond with love and generosity instead. To wrap up, we've debunked the myth surrounding eye for an eye, clarified its biblical meaning, and discussed its daily life application. It's about embracing love, kindness, and generosity, rather than seeking retaliation. Remember, an eye for an eye is a call to love, not revenge. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.